If you forgot the password to your Xiaomi 15 Ultra and you cannot unlock your phone, there is only one way to bypass the forgotten screen lock, and that is by performing the hard reset or factory reset through the recovery mode. So unfortunately, you will lose everything that you have on the phone, so unless you made a backup, unfortunately you will get rid of everything, but of course you will get the access back. So essentially what you need to do is turn off the phone, so we can press the power button and volume up button at the same time. There we go. And we want to swipe up to power off. Once the phone is off, press and hold the power button and volume up button until you see the Xiaomi logo. Once you see the Xiaomi logo, you want to hold only the volume up button. So first, power button and volume up, press and hold it. And now just volume up, just hold volume up. There we go. Now we are in the recovery mode, and we can navigate here by using volume buttons. So go to wipe data and confirm your choice by pressing the power button, and then choose wipe all data and once again confirm with the power button. And after completing the factory reset, of course you will have the first configuration again, but you will get the access back. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.